This video, I'm going to show you how you can create content calendar in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to create your content calendar, first you need to go to your space, and I have this team space folder here. And from this, I'd like to go ahead and create our content calendar. Head over to this plus and then click on it. And from this, you should be able to see the last option, templates. Go ahead and click on templates, and you'll see here we have quite a number of featured templates. So for my case, I like to search for content calendar. So I'll just type it here, and it will go ahead and search for content calendar. Now you can see I have a content calendar here. To launch it or to open it, you can just click on it, or you can click on quick use here. And this will go ahead and load it. So you have to be patient as it creates. You can see the process is on here, and we have a new content calendar that is coming up. And within some few seconds, our content calendar is ready. Now from here, you can go ahead and start editing all the fields in your content calendar. So if you go to content pillar timeline, you'll see we have quite a number of fields here. If you also go to production board, you'll be able to see all the details under each. To edit, go ahead and hover over each and just edit any field that you wish. You can also go to content plan list, and you see here we have quite a number of fields, and you can monitor each and every one of them and also make the necessary changes as you wish. So that's how you can create content calendar in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.